Hello, Homo sapiens. Hello again, it is Monsieur Balisong here with an unboxing video. I know, it's very, okay, it's fucking open. Let's not act like we just had to cut that. But I've been on a bit of a, son of a bitch, a hiatus. Let's cover that up. I've been on a bit of a hiatus. I apologize. But we're going to end that hiatus with a little bit of an unboxing. A nice unboxing. A very nice unboxing. But yeah, I've been a lot of changes in my life, and I haven't had time to do any videos, but hopefully we're going to do some more videos with my sultry voice and a Blue Yeti microphone. So, without further ado, what is this, Balisong? A motherfucking EX10. Sealed in the package. Brand new from Jeff himself. So of course, we're gonna cut this open with another Balisong. One of my favorites. The Atropos Smoke. Alright, come on. Come on. And there she is. EX10, brand new. Just a little bit of play, no tap. No tap at all. Absolutely gorgeous. Loved the step patterns on Balisongs. That's my favorite type of blade shape right there. Oh, look at that logo. That doesn't look familiar. Maybe it's a newer logo. Number 113. Kind of hard to see with this light. 113 EX10. There's your proof that it's an EX10. Yeah. Let's I'm gonna just move this over to the microphone. Ooh, that's gonna be loud. Fuck it. I'm gonna pick up my camera and then show you that. You watch me record my audio. These flip so well. So yeah, this is an EX10. It's got a small blem on it. I think it's up here. Yeah, a little bit of blade rub. Jeff warned me of. I got this for a really good price. This was brand new, and I'll basically say it was kind of like half price. That's how much I'll say. Yeah, I've been out of Balisong flipping for a couple months, but just so you guys know, I do plan on coming back, making a few videos. Definitely a very interesting video that's unexpected by you guys, but look forward to that. Just kind of wanted to do a little unboxing of a very premium knife to get back into making videos again. Keep your eyes peeled for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.